Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Percent.
What does the dictionary say?
Figured or expressed on the basis of a rate or proportion per hundred, used in combination with a number in expressing rates of interest, proportions, etc.
Math rap.
Percent means parts per 100. That makes sense. Its symbol has 1 and 2 zeros condensed, telling you a ratio out of 100 is what's meant. And that's the whole truth. 100%.
Math rap.
Explain percent in your own words. What percent of the people in your class are wearing a shirt with red on it? What percent is percent made out of? What percent did you get in math class last year? What's the percentage chance that last year's mark will be higher this year? What percentage of people in your class are taller than you? Do the math. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!